In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a realistic ebook mockup with a torn cover effect in Photoshop using a custom action. I assume you've already unzipped the downloaded file. Inside the folder, we're looking for the action file, the one with the ATN extension. If you don't see the Actions panel, go to the Window tab and click on Actions from the drop-down menu. Now we're going to load the action file into the Photoshop Actions panel. Now you see it get listed. Mockup actions typically contain 2 steps. The 2 steps are labeled Starter Template and Render 3D. Let's begin. Highlight the first action step, which is Starter Template. Click Play button. This action step creates a placeholder where you can insert your artwork before it's transformed into a realistic 3D mockup. Starter Template has been created. Now you can place your artwork design into the template. Make sure the border guide and background layers are turned on before moving to the next action step. Now we'll transform your flat 2D artwork into a 3D mockup. Highlight the Render 3D action step and play. The action script is currently running. It may take a few seconds to complete, so be patient. And we're all set. Your 3D mockup is ready. Let's see the actual size of the image. As you can see, all the layers created by the action are still intact. They're neatly organized into groups and even color-coded, which makes it easy for us to adjust or customize them however we like. Now you're ready to resize and save your image. We've created a step-by-step video tutorial showing you how to resize and save your image, including how to export it with a transparent background. The link is available in the description below. See ya in the next tutorial!